Welcome to Table Talk. I am Sophie.
Hi, I'm Amy.
It is Love Week, so we are here to talk about all the things we're loving and all the things we're not loving quite so much. Do you want to kick us off?
The loves this week for me have been when we've been to our wonderful charity partners, The Mix. We've been very concerned about how we build safeguarding into our conversation. The team at The Mix have been really good at allaying our fears and helping us build the words, build the triggers, build the process into our conversation engine.
Yeah. My love this week has been getting out, connecting with our customers. We have done loads and loads of user testing this week. That has been incredible. It's been really eye-opening and we have definitely learnt a lot.
We have indeed, and actually that's where unfortunately one of my not so like areas has come up, because we loved the thinking around Kit being a pet. But actually the reality is as we're bringing that to life for people, it's not resonating so much. Not so likewise. I guess is kind of on the same vein. We are full of ideas. We have this huge, massive vision. And I feel like I keep having to bring us back to reality. I feel like I keep having to be bad cop and make us realise what's feasible, what's realistic. She's no party pooper. You're definitely playing the realist to our idealism. We had a lovely visit, didn't we, to London town this half term from my goddaughter Isla and her family.
Yeah, it was amazing to meet the kids. I even got a little cuddle at the end.
She's definitely in that gang.
But it is so lovely to start introducing each other to our families.
So thanks for listening, and we look forward to next week.
Yeah.
Bye.